Welcome back, y'all. This is Justin at Crest Coast Tattoos, local artist in New Orleans. So if y'all are interested in anything that I watch, please leave a comment down below. If you need any more information, if I'm leaving out any kind of details, let me know down in the comment section below, and I'll make sure I answer your question as best as possible. So we just about to do this simple butterfly on the neck tattoo. I just wanted to give some real time speed, maybe some slow-mo, also a little time lapse, to see what you all get from it. Hopefully y'all can learn some. Just observe, watch what I'm doing, and we gonna keep it moving. Okay, you all know we start off with the line work. I'm using a 7-round liner for the line work. Also currently working at 8.5 volts, the speed of the machine. When we started the shade, she started hurting. And this is when she told me that the paper towel was hurting when I wipe. So tip, try to dab and not wipe, because the area a little sore, so it could be a little painful. Yes, and it was at this point she was ready to tap out, but she lasted a few more minutes before we stopped.